Meaning of highest common factor.
Highest common factor.
Highest common factor.
Highest common factor.
Highest common factor. The highest common factor, HCF, refers to the largest number that divides two or more integers without leaving a remainder. It is also known as greatest common divisor, GCD. For example, the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6 because it is the largest number that can divide both 12 and 18 without leaving a remainder. The HCF is an important concept in mathematics and is used in various applications such as simplifying fractions, finding equivalent ratios, and solving linear equations. Overall, the HCF helps us to find common factors between numbers and simplify mathematical expressions.